على النبي الكريم محمد وآله وأصحابه أجمعين. If there in the case there is 1/2 and 2/1/6, 1/2 and 2/1/6, like Zayd passed away and he left behind a daughter. Number 2, a granddaughter, the daughter of his son. And number 3, the mother. So now in this case, daughter is entitled for half of the property. And the granddaughter 1/6 of the property, takmilat al-sulsan, because we mentioned before a general rule that if there are two women of the same denomination, so their share will not exceed than 2/3 of the whole property. They are 2 or more, but they will take 2/3. So now here is daughter and granddaughter is daughter as well. So the same denomination, but the daughter, if that is one, she is taking 1/2 of the property. So now, from 2/3, if you will minus 1/2, so there remain 1/6. So 1/6 will go to the granddaughter. And as we mentioned, that for mother, there are 2 forms or 2 situations. She takes 1/3 of the whole property if there are no children and no more than one brother or sister of any type. So she is taking 1/3. But if there is a kid or child of the deceased or more than one brother or sister of any type of the deceased, so then she takes 1/6. So here is 1/2, which is the share of the daughter, 1/6, which is share of the granddaughter, and 1/6, which is share of the mother. So that's why I said that if in the case there is 1/2 and 2/1/6. Got it? So now the common denominator for this case will be 6. So the daughter will take 3, and the granddaughter will take 1, and the mother will take 1, and there will remain 1. So now there is no residue or other eligible or entitled for that remaining 1. So it will go back to the same sharer to the proportion of their due shares. Got it? So if we will once again will make 6 shares of that 1, so again 1 will remain. If we will, so again 1 will remain. So now the case is that denominator will go back from 6 to 5. Got it? So the whole property would be made 5 shares. 3 will go to the daughter, 1 will go to the granddaughter, and 1 will go to the mother. And if there are 1/2 and 1/3, and 1/6, half and means and 1/3, like Zayd passed away and he left behind 1 sister and 1 mother. So now the sister will take 1/2 and the mother will take 1/3. So what will be the case? 6. Denominator will be 6. So the sister will take 3. The mother will take 2. So it will be 5. Got it? So we will take the case from 6 to 5. Got it? Or not it? وصلى الله تعالى على خير خلقه محمد وآله وصحبه أجمعين.